we're going to have solving two-step word problems for fundamental operations involved in fractions. So we must be able to define the four fundamental operations and solve word problems involving operations on fractions. What are the four fundamental operations? So the four basic mathematical operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. How to work out the four operations on fractions? So to add and subtract fractions, if the denominators are different, first find the common denominator. Then add or subtract the numerators. The denominators just stay the same. How to multiply fractions? So multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, then reduce to simplest form. To divide fractions, first invert the divisor or just take the reciprocal, multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. Take note, you need to simplify. Let's answer this word problem. Rasida had 2/3 of a pizza. She cut it into a number of pieces. Each piece was 1/9 of the whole pizza. How many pieces did she cut it into? So we're going to have the important informations, the 2/3 and the 1/9. So we're going to draw the model. So the 2/3 of a pizza, each was 1/9. So we're going to find how many pieces she cut. What operation are we going to use? Very good. We're going to divide. 2/3 divided by 1/9. What is the rule again to divide fraction? Multiply to the reciprocal. So 2/3 times 9. 9 is the reciprocal of 1/9. So 3 and 9 already simplified by dividing by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So if we're going to multiply, it will become 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, she cut it into 6 pieces. One more example. A square piece of cardboard had an area of 4/9 square meters. Aim cut it into a number of pieces, each with an area of 2/27 square meters. How many pieces did Aim cut the cardboard into? So we have the important informations: 4/9 square meter and 2/27 square meter. Which are we going to use? Yes, we're going to divide. 4/9 divided by 2/27 is going to multiply to the reciprocal of the second fraction. So you can see here, we can simplify 4 and 2 by dividing it by 2. So 4 divided by 2, it's 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. How about 27 and 9? Can we simplify them? Yes, by dividing by 9. 27 divided by 9, it's 3. 9 divided by 9 is 1. First, we have 2 times 3 and 1 times 1 is equal to 6/1 equals 6. So Aim cut the cardboard into 6 pieces. How to solve two-step word problems involving operations on fractions. So to solve, circle important information. So circle numbers and important phrases that ask questions. The number sentences needed to solve these equations are hidden in those asking questions. Identify the first and second questions needed to solve. Second step, distinguish the two parts of the problem. First, identify the first step of the first part of the problem and write a number sentence and solve. Third step, use the answer from the first step solution to the whole problem. Use the answer from the first question to help you solve the next equation. What operation does the second question require? Check your work by explaining your reasoning. What was the question answered? Is the answer reasonable for the question being asked? So let's answer this two-step word problem. So two-third of a square is colored green. Rana cuts this part into a number of pieces such that each piece is 1/9 of the whole square. If the area of the square is 45 square centimeter, what is the area of each piece? We have the important informations: two-third, 1/9, and the 45 square meters. So before we answer what is the area of each piece, we need to find first the number of pieces Rena has. So how to find the number of pieces? Very good. We're going to divide. Two-third divided by 1/9. So we're going to multiply to the reciprocal. So we have two-third times 9. We already simplified 3 and 9 by dividing by 3. So if we're going to multiply, we have 6. Rena has 6 pieces. Area of the green part is two-third of the area of the square. So two-third of 45 means two-third times 45. We already simplified 3 and 45 by dividing by 3. So if we're going to multiply, we have 30 square centimeter. How to find the area of each piece? So this 30 square centimeter is the area of the 6 pieces. So if we're going to take the area of one piece, this area we're going to divide by 6. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So the area of each piece is 5 square centimeters. Another example. A box contained 5 equal bars of chocolate. Its total mass was 130 grams. Anwar ate 2 bars of chocolate. The mass of the box with the remaining bars of the chocolate was 90 grams. What was the mass of the empty box? 5 equal bars, 130 grams, 2 bars, and 90 grams. So the 5 equal bars chocolate together with the box, we have 130 grams. If Anwar ate 2 bars, it will become 90 grams. So missing already the 2 chocolate. So how are we going to find the mass of the empty box? So here, we can find out how many grams did Anwar eat. So how are we going to find this? We're going to subtract 130 minus 90 is equal to 40. It means the 2 bars of chocolate is 40 grams. How to find the mass of 1 bar? Yes, we're going to divide by 2. So 1 bar is equal to 20 grams. If we have 5 chocolate here, so 5 bars is 20 times 5, 100 grams. To find the mass of the empty box, we're going to subtract 130 minus 100 is equal to 30. So the mass of empty box was 30 grams. To sum up our lesson, to solve two-step word problem, circle important information, distinguish the two parts of the problem, use the answer from the first step, solution to the whole problem. Now bring out your workbook, turn on page 144 until 146. Show me the working together with your diagram. So, take a look at page 146. Amina had 2 boxes of 3 kilograms of rice in each box. She bought 70 kilograms more rice to put into the boxes. She then used 3 kilograms of rice each day for 20 days to cook for her family. She had 45 kilograms of rice left in each box. How much rice did each box contain at first? So, let's have the important one. 20 boxes, 3 kilograms, 70 kilograms, 3 kilograms, 20 days, and 45 kilograms. So, We know 2 boxes with t kilograms. So how many kilograms are there? Yes, we're going to multiply. 2 times t is equal to 2t. So she had 2t kilogram of rice in the boxes at first. In 20 days, she used 3 kilograms of rice daily. So we're going to have 3 times 20 is equal to 60. In 20 days, she used 60 kilograms. So 2t plus she bought 70 kilograms minus she used 60 is equal to 2t plus 10. So she had 2t plus 10 kilogram of rice left altogether. But she had 45 kilograms of rice left in each box. How many boxes do we have? We have 2 boxes. That's why it is equal to 45 times 2 boxes. So we have 2t plus 10 and the product of 45 and 2 is 90. How to get t? We're going to subtract first. Use inverse operation. So we have 2t is equal to 8. 2t means times, right? So the inverse of times we're going to divide. So 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. So each box contains 40 kilograms of rice at first.